Hey there, I hope you all are doing okay in your lives. Have you ever heard about Vata, Pitta, or Kapha doshas as per the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda? Are you curious to know what type of skin you actually have based on this knowledge using a very simple and fun activity? And friends, this isn't just for fun. This will help you understand the true nature of your skin. And most importantly, this will help to choose the right kind of skincare and cosmetics for yourselves. Honestly, I don't think I have to explain further because we all already know how important that is. So, let's do something beyond just DIYs today and let's take a skin quiz to know your Ayurvedic skin type. Brace yourselves and dive in with me. Here's what you need to do. Grab a paper and divide it into 3 columns for Vata, Pitta and Kapha dosha. On screen, you will be seeing 15 questions one by one, each having 4 options. Now, read the questions carefully and pick the option that best describes your skin behavior. Let's say if question 1 feels most like a Vata trait, then put a tick under the Vata column. And then just keep ticking as we go. At the end, whichever column has the most ticks, that's your dominant skin dosha. Sounds fun, isn't it? But before we start, let me ask you one question. Do you even know what Vedic skincare really is? Or do you have an idea about what Vata, Pitta and Kapha actually mean? Don't worry, I'll explain you this in super simple words. Vedic skincare is based on Ayurveda, India's 5,000-year-old science that believes your skin health reflects your inner balance. Now let's talk about Vata trait. Vata trait is made up of air and space, so it lacks moisture, just like wind over a desert. It pulls out hydration for your skin, leading to dryness, cracking, flakiness, and fine lines. Now, if we talk about Pitta trait, the element is mostly fire, which can overheat the skin, leading to redness, skin rashes, acne, sensitivity, and sometimes pigmentation and sunburns. Now, if we talk about the last trait, that is Kapha, the elements are earth and water. Kapha is usually dense and lubricating by its nature. So this leads to thicker skin, oilier skin, and which is more prone to skin clogs, blackheads, and dullness. Now that you know the background of Vedic skincare, let's jump into the activity. Done? Count your ticks. Whichever column dominates, that's your skin type. If your results make sense and you can relate it to your skin type, congratulations! You now have a deeper understanding about your skin type than most of the people ever do. So friends, hope you have enjoyed this unique skin quiz experience. But don't just go away yet, because the next video is going to be even more exciting. That will be a part 2 of this Vedic skincare series. In that video, I'll be sharing what to do and what not to do, also a customized face pack according to the doshas. So that's all for today. Let's meet next Friday. Until then, take a very, very, very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.